In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a payment method on Redbubble. Let's start by heading to redbubble.com in a secure, up-to-date browser. Make sure you're on the official site and that you're signed into the correct Redbubble account you use for your shop. If you're already logged in, you'll see your profile icon at the top right of the page. That's where we're going next. Move your cursor to the profile icon in the upper right corner. It typically looks like a small person's silhouette or your avatar. Click it to open the account menu. This menu is your quick gateway to anything related to your shop and profile, from orders and dashboards to settings that control how you get paid. From that dropdown, click Account Settings. This will take you to your main settings area where different tabs organize everything about your profile, preferences, and financial details. Take a moment to let the page load fully so all sections appear. Sometimes there's a brief delay. Inside Account Settings, find and click Edit Payment Details. This option lives in the area related to payments or payouts. It's the place where you control how Redbubble sends your earnings to you. If you don't see it right away, scroll a little or look for a tab labeled Payments, Payouts, or something similar, depending on your current interface. Once you're in the Payment section, scroll down and select your preferred payment method. The exact choices you see can vary by country and account type, but common options may include services like PayPal or a bank transfer. Choose the method that best suits where you live, the currency you prefer, and how quickly you want funds to arrive. Keep in mind that some methods may have minimum payout thresholds or regional restrictions. After selecting your method, you may be prompted to add or confirm details for that option. For example, you might need to enter an associated email for a digital wallet or confirm bank information for a transfer. Type everything carefully, exactly as it appears on your financial account, and double-check for typos. Small mistakes can delay payouts. When you're confident your selection and details are correct, click Save Changes. Give the page a moment to process. You should see a confirmation message or a visual indicator that your settings updated successfully. To be extra sure, revisit the payment section and verify your chosen method is displayed correctly. If something doesn't look right, refresh the page and review your entries, and that's it. You've added a payment method on Redbubble, setting yourself up to receive your earnings reliably and on time.